Diversity be our strength. And shit. Juneteenth weekend, my nibble, you know what I'm saying? Dude, this fucking street is a goddamn jungle. What the fuck? Oh my gosh, dude. Diversity be our strength and shit, you know what I'm saying? And by strength, I mean turning your fucking community into one big fucking jungle, ghetto, backwater. There straight up used to be no niggers on this side of town like 10 to 20 years ago. And now it's like 2/3. Yeah. 2/3 monkeys, dude. 2/3 apes. And these white people are completely oblivious because they're acting like them. Dude, this area used to be like a chill area where white college kids could come here, actually. Rochambeau, this coffee shop right here. This used to be it, man. This is where like you'd come to do your homework, you know? Now look at this place. You need the police and you need armed security just to get by around here. Just to get by around here. Motherfuckers get like shot on this street now. This is Brady Street in Milwaukee, I forgot to mention. This is Brady Street in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Hit and runs. Actually, Paul Prediger, aka Gage Grosskreutz, got hit and run over here. Because look at how rowdy it is. Look at how reckless it is. Damn, dude. Mud shark. Movies. It's probably never a good idea to cross the street around here. Yeah, I just wanted to document any chance I get, really. If I could stomach coming out here. Just document the jungle that this fucking area has become, dude. Brady Street never needed cops posting up, ever. Not until very recently. Like I said, this was like the white hippie, like almost like, you know, not goth or punk or whatever, but you get the idea, like a college, white college crowd, kind of hippie, dippy, you know. You know, and as cringe as that community is, it's preferable to some things out there. Taco tipo, mamma mimo, papo. And of course it reeks of fucking ganja out here. Like, if you live in this area, and you're trying to quit smoking, it's gonna be really difficult for you, because you will walk down the street, you will walk past people's apartments, you will walk past people's cars, you will get weed smoke wafted in your face involuntarily. So if you're trying to quit smoking anything around here, good luck. I think I'm getting a contact buzz out here. Yeah, if you were trying to like pass a drug test, you know, you just walk down the street to go to Walgreens, for instance. Excuse me. Pardon me, bro. Yeah. Just want to demonstrate that. Hold on. Sights and sounds.
Trucks, man. Hey, man, tell them all of the trucks, brother.
Enter phone number, then touch enter.
You don't run. I had to get a Red Bull. I'm trying to Red Bull. Yeah. What are you
Your card has been accepted. Total is $2.99. Please select your payment.
I ain't gonna lie. I thought I was seeing the nigga. I'm like, shoot,
Please remember to take your receipt. Thank you. Please remove all bag items.
Sweet, soothing sounds of diversity. Twerking going on, you can't quite see it, but goddamn it, I gotta go home, dude. Oh my goodness. Yeah. How many D-Techs are here? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jesus Christ, man. We have to have a militarized police state because of diversity. That's why. That's why. By the way, this pile of rubble here, this used to be like video game exchange or whatever. I forget the name of it, but now it's going to be, I think, either a hotel or an apartment building, you know, presumably for housing all of the diversity. So once this building gets built, and I think actually this building over here, let me zoom out a little bit. This building here is going to be either a hotel or a apartment building as well. And I think whichever one it is, either this one or that, it's going to more than likely serve that purpose that I just stated. It's going to be filled up with like Somalians, fucking Black Americans, dude. Once that happens, once that's fully implemented, dude, this area is completely cooked. Now, dear viewer, you might be writing into me and saying like, well, Durst, why don't you just fucking move? Why don't you just go to like the next widest area? Well, guess what, dude? Our hook-nosed friends who want us to go to war with Iran and bomb the hell out of Gaza, they will send their golems into a town like, you know, for instance, Waukesha as well. Because, I mean, even 5 years ago, they were the victim of a BLM terrorist attack at the Christmas parade. So anybody who keeps writing in saying like, why don't you move? Well, guess what? Wherever I move to will be next. Diversity is our death.